What's up everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be looking at The Haunted Mouse by Nancy and Randall Feber. Here are the 5 parts of the video, and let's kick it off by me playing the piano. We will start it off with the dynamics. As you can hear, the mood of this piece is extremely creepy. It is helpful, however, to use your imagination when playing pieces like these as they have a storyline. Okay, follow me, deep breath. Imagine there is a mouse that is in a haunted house. And during the night, when it's eerie and quiet, you hear the little footsteps and shrieking noises. The little mouse likes to play games with people in the house, and he's very sneaky and likes entertainment a lot. Did that help you? Well, leave a comment below if it did. So, from measure 1 to 8, play them soft as this creates a scary and eerie mood. Then at measure 11, start to have a small, gradually becoming louder to measure 13. Here, you can play it loud till measure 15 when you quiet down to an end. Fortunately for us, there is no flats or sharps for us to worry about in this piece. Hooray! The time signature is rather easy too. We have a 4/4 time signature, or 4 quarter notes in a measure. If you look at on the top left, it says scampering along. After a quick Google search, the physical translation of scampering is, in brackets, especially of a small animal or child, one with quick light steps, especially through fear or excitement. For a piece so naughty like this, makes sense, right? This tells us that the piece should be played lightly and carefully. And time for hotspots. Look at the difference between measure 1 and 3. The notes are played differently because of the dots and a curved line. The dots below or on top of the note represents staccato, which means to play it detached and lightly. The curved line means legato, which is to play it connected and smoothly. The 8 sign at the last measure represents an octave below, and don't worry if you have never heard of it before. This only shows that instead of the notes you see on the music, which for this one is an A, you will play the A 8 notes below that. As you can see, the whole notes take up 2 measures. It will sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Release. Start it slow as always and practice each measure hand separately. Somewhere around 50 beats per minute for quarter notes will be fine. If you mess up anywhere, do not move ahead and actually stop and learn it. And then bring it up to the real tempo of 76. And if you want, even 84 beats per minute for half notes. And that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video or helped, drop a like and comment below. Be sure to email me or comment me any suggestions or questions. The email will be down in the description. Until next time, practice smarter, not harder. See ya!